Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ro and this is Everything Rosy. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way to create an Instastory cover. So first thing first, what we're going to want to do is download PhotoGrid. It's the only app we're going to be using today and it's 100% free. You can find it on both iOS and Android. So jumping into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Google and I'm going to, oh my god, you guys, it's Hinata! It's Hinata from Naruto. Naruto is like my favorite anime of all time. I could go on and on about it, but I'm not going to. We're going to jump back into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a type of background because every Instastory cover has a background. So I'm going to type in vintage backgrounds and I'm going to actually click on the Tumblr version of the vintage backgrounds, and this is going to show me a bunch of Tumblr vintage backgrounds that I might like. And I'm going to scroll to see if I could find one that is pleasing to my eyes, and I could tell that I don't really like any of these because these are all floral, and even though my Instagram is floral themed, I'm not really feeling these. So I'm actually going to scroll back up and I'm going to look for something else. So I'm going to go ahead and type in galaxy backgrounds because galaxy backgrounds are really pretty and aesthetically pleasing to look at. So I'm going to just click on that first one because it's pretty and I'm going to save that. So the next thing I'm going to do is look for an icon to go over that picture. So I'm going to go ahead and type in, like, let's say you travel a lot, I'm going to look for a white airplane icon. So I'm going to type in white airplane clip art, or I think I put PixArt by accident, but it still came up fine in PNG. You want to put in PNG because that will give you the transparent version of that picture. So that's what we want. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll and look to see if I find one that I like. And I actually really like this one right here with the black background. So as you can see, when you click on it, it is transparent. So I'm going to save that. And I'm going to look at my other options. Like, let's click the first one. And yeah, that one's not transparent, so we're going to click it again and look for another one. That one's not transparent either, so we're just going to stick with the first one we found, which is this one. And then we're going to go to PhotoGrid, the only app that we need. We're going to click on Grid, click on the galaxy picture, and then click Next. So to remove the PhotoGrid name at the bottom, you just click on it and press X, and I'm going to double tap the picture to size it. And then I'm going to click that arrow to make the blue taskbar disappear. Then I'm going to scroll looking for layout, but I'm going to click border by accident, but it's actually layout. And I'm going to click that circular layout because it sizes it perfect for Instagram. Then I'm going to scroll back to the side and I'm going to look for the plus sign that says image. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click the airplane picture, and it puts it perfectly in the center. So there's nothing else you have to do. All you have to do is press next and save. And then there you go. You have your Instastory cover. It's really as simple as that, you guys. All you need is one app and you can create your Instastory cover highlight just like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if this video helped you out a lot, give me a thumbs up and comment down below any other videos that you'd like to see from me. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching.